I showed in a recent video how PVA glue can really give you some great effects, and I promised I would make a second video showing you a different effect that you can achieve with PVA glue. So I've got my resin mixed up already, and this is the Crystal Clear by T-Expert. Great resin, great price. So I'm going to be using 4 different colours for this. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to put my resin into my pots like this, and I'm just using some old yogurt pots here. And for this technique, I like to mix up my colours first. Now, I tested out PVA glue in resin about 5 years ago. Must be 5 years ago, might even be longer now. And I got a video on that. And I used in that one the white PVA. And white PVA will work if you are mixing a colour in with it, but not if you are wanting some clear bits. So a translucent colour, I should say. Clear bits. So you don't need much of these colours. These are the T-Expert epoxy pigments. I think they're the most vibrant pigments that are on the market. All you need to do is give those a bit of a mix in. Look how good they are. Make sure you mix them right in. If not, what you end up with is a streaky kind of colour. Now, if that's what you want, then that's fine. And these are designed for epoxy resin, not UV resin. So don't use them in your UV resin. Only ever use pigments that you know are safe with UV resin. Now, if you wanted to put some mica powder in at this stage, you could, but I'm not going to. I don't want to. Now, with my previous one, I didn't put a great deal of PVA in it because I didn't want it to be a real thick gel. But this time, for that one, I put 4 drips in there because I want it to be quite a thick gel. Look at that. Can you see how thick that gel is now? So carry on mixing these in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this won't cause it to cure any quicker. It just makes it a real thick gel. Slightly thicker than that. So I'm going to have put another one in the white. Yep, I'm happy with that. Look at that red. Look how gel that is. So now I've got them all to like the thick slime or gel consistency. I'm going to be using my clear resin. Now, I haven't put any of the PVA in that at all. And now I'm going to drop a bit of the gel into that, like that. And then pour another little bit of resin over the top. And then keep building that up with a bit of the gel or the thick resin. And honestly, you'll be so surprised at how well this comes out. Look at that, I'm so messy. I didn't want that there. I'm going to take a cloth, a baby wipe, and I'm going to clean that up. So now I've got the yellow in, I'm going to pour a little bit over that yellow with the clear. I think I'll go for a bit of white now. Pour some of that clear over that white. A bit more green. Just as well I got baby wipes, isn't it? A bit more clear. I think you get the idea. A bit more red. A bit more white, I think, here in the mouth part. All I'm doing is topping this up completely with the clear. And then that's it. What we'll do is we'll leave this to cure for about 5 minutes, and you will get some bubbles come up because of the fact that we've turned that into a gel and mixed it while it was still a gel. So it's kind of brought some bubbles into it, but they will release slowly. And now we'll leave this to cure up overnight. And if you're having trouble pouring resin in this really hot heat during the summer, then I've made a video with a simple trick that I've been using for years during the heat waves and the hot weather that will allow you to keep pouring your resin and avoid flash cures. So be sure to check that video out. I'll link it at the end of this one. And YouTube's really tough at the moment. I know you've probably heard and seen a lot of videos of people complaining about the changes that YouTube have made and channels not getting views anymore and their views plummeting. Unfortunately, that has happened to me. It's just their new system. So everybody that buys me a coffee or all my members, they really do help me to keep going. And I will keep working through this difficult time as well. So thank you to all the amazing support I've had. I just wanted to say thank you. So now that's kind of come up, the bubbles have started to come up. All I'm going to do is go over this and pop those bubbles. I'll babysit this probably for about another 10 more minutes and keep popping bubbles that come up. And then we'll leave it to cure. You'll be so surprised at this. Well, if you've ever felt like you're just figuring out resin or crafting and you're doing it all by yourself and you're finding it really difficult, then this might be the answer for you. A lot of people start crafting because they just love it. It's great for your mental health, it's great for your creativity, and it's really enjoyable and fun. But then a point hits where you think, I'd like to get better at this, or I'd like to move further forward with this, and you're not sure how to do it. You may have a lot of questions and you've got no one really to answer them. And that's why I created my channel membership. It is a proper community, as my members I'm sure would happily tell you. It's not just a place where I put extra videos and extra information. It is all about that supportive, no drama community. And the great thing is I'm in there every single day, at least once, and I'm always active in the membership. So if you want to ask me things directly or show me things directly, then that's the place that you can do it. You also get access to over 50 members only videos covering different areas, including a course on how to start a business, how to decide what crafting business to start, how to run it, and all those sorts of questions as well. And that's completely free. It's part of the membership. There's also discounts, giveaways, competitions that are only available to members. Ask questions about how to sell, what to sell, how much to sell things for, and get real honest, real world examples of what others are doing. Once you're in it, you realise how much easier things are when you're not trying to go it alone or do it alone. It's only £4.99 a month. There's a join button underneath this video, and there's also a link in the description. It'd be great to have you in there. We always welcome new members, and you'll be amazed at how much support you'll get. Looking forward to seeing you there. So this has now had about 15 minutes, so I'm going to go over there for the final time and burst any bubbles that are coming up. Look how magnificent those colours look as well. These are brilliant colours. If you haven't got them, I really suggest you get them. You won't be disappointed. You get yellow, black, blue, white, red and green. So you can make nearly every colour there is from those colours. I'll link them in the description below. If I've got a discount code, I'll also link that as well. Well, this is all cured now and I'm ready, and it's got rid of all the bubbles on the top. Now when you use this technique, if you're using it with a clear resin and you want the resin to be clear, you can be left with a few bubbles. So mix it in slowly if you're doing that. But let's take a look at this. Oh, look at that. Amazing. That has come out all the way through there. Now, for the person who said on my previous video in the comments on this technique, I don't like this, this isn't art. Well, art is in the eye of the beholder, and I'm sorry you didn't like it. But my channel's about having a go, showing people what can be done, and really just enjoying yourself and crafting. And if that's not for you, then I understand. My videos are free to watch, so there's no need for nasty comments. That has come out so well, better than I could have ever expected. And that's because I used the clear resin in there as well. It helps to move that resin around a little bit and create those great colours and things. I love the way it's come out on the top, going all the way through there. Let me know in the comments what you think, if you like that technique, or if you've used this technique. I mean, it's not a new technique. I did a video on it, like I said, about 5 years ago using the white PVA glue. So it's not a new technique, it's just fun to revisit these things and try out something a little bit different. I'll link the previous video up here because that is a different technique using the PVA glue, so check that one out. The little card is on the screen now. Boot the like button, hit the subscribe button, but most of all, enjoy your resin. Take care. Bye.